Apple Ginger Rhubarb Cobbler Recipe. Yield, 6 to 8 servings. Prep time, 10 minutes. Cook time, 40 minutes. Total time, 50 minutes. Ingredients: 1/4 cup 55 grams solid coconut oil, 1 cup 120 grams buckwheat flour, 1 cup 250 milliliters plant milk, we used soy, 1/2 cup 100 grams raw sugar, 1 teaspoon 5 grams baking powder, 5 rhubarb stalks, washed, peeled and cut into 1/2 inch pieces, 2 apples, cored and cut into 1/2 inch pieces, 1/2 tablespoon 3.5 grams fresh ginger, minced or sub 1/2 teaspoon ground, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 175 C, 345 F2. Put the coconut oil into a 6 by 10 inch 15 by 25 centimeters baking dish, and place in the oven to melt. 3. Meanwhile, mix the flour, plant milk, sugar and baking powder together in a large bowl. 4. In another bowl, combine the apples, rhubarb, ginger and cinnamon. 5. As soon as the oil has melted, remove from the oven and pour the flour mixture into the dish. Do not mix. 6. On top of the flour batter, place the apple and rhubarb mix. Again, do not mix. 7. Place the baking dish back into the oven and cook for 40 minutes, or until the batter is golden and firm, but springy to the touch. 8. Remove from the oven, let cool for a few minutes before enjoying with coconut whip, coconut cream, or a scoop of vegan ice cream. Notes: 1. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. 2. Variations: this works really well with other fruits, like cherries, apricots, or peaches. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.